Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a really long time, but we're back here again. And today we're going to be showing you the best floor covers for a Infiniti G37. Interior is a very valuable thing when it comes to cars. So let's open these bad boys up. Okay, so I'll put the link to these deep down in the description. These are really good. They're custom. They're not like just a universal seat cover. They got Infiniti's logos on here. So let's find the back one first. Do the back. It's one big piece. Here it is right here. And since they're folded, they'll probably not be perfect right now, and they'll need some time to settle in. So, okay. So now we're putting these on. That goes over there like that. Start putting it in like this. Start going it everywhere. Oh my goodness, dude, this looks so good. Just look at that. This definitely does look a lot better. Now let's do the front ones. Okay, so the next step is you slide your seat back all the way. And this one is the driver's side one. You can tell because it has this to protect it from wearing. So start sliding this in where it goes. Bring this all the way back. I like how this comes all the way out here too. Okay, so this looks really good too. Super nice and tightly fitted everywhere. The Infiniti logo looks all nice up in there. So the other side. This side now. You know, gas pedals to go around and stuff.
That in there. Oh yeah. It makes it look like actually like customized interior.
There you have it. Okay. So this definitely looks a lot better. Super nice interior. It makes it look like it's part of the car. So when it's all tucked in there like that, I really like the look of it with the red stitching. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And hopefully we'll post some more content here soon.